So, I am from Mindanao po, Misamis Occidental, born and raised. My parents are Sofronio Vasquez Jr. and Aida Paruhinog Vasquez. So, we come from a family na sobrang masaya lang. I grew up sa squatter. Yung ilalim ng bahay namin, dagat.
Did you hear that? They were in the squatter area, and it's not the ground, it was
No,
the sea.
It was sea. And up until now, tita, our house is still standing. So sometimes people would never believe kasi andito na ako sa Amerika because I have this American dream. But if they want to visit our house, I can be with them and show them that dito ako lumaki, wala kaming bed. We just sleep on the floor with a good foam. Kapag tumataas yung dagat, tumatalon kami kaagad just to nag-enjoy namin. And alam naman squatter, tita, wala tayong kumbaga mga septic tank. So yung mga kapitbahay namin na nagbibigay ng gift sa dagat ay nakikita namin. So kapag nililigo kami, ginaganon lang namin, hindi namin pinapansin, but we really enjoyed it as a kid.